mastering 5 high flying skills for online 6-figure success. Welcome to High Access, the ultimate destination where we unravel the secrets of turning internet careers into 6-figure success stories. In a world driven by digital innovation, opportunities abound for those seeking not just a career, but a financial breakthrough. If you've ever wondered how to transform your online pursuits into a high-earning venture, you're in the right place. Let's dive deep into the realms of the internet, explore lucrative paths, and discover the strategies that can elevate your earnings to the next level. Buckle up, dreamers and achievers. On High Access, we're about to show you the way to 6-figure success in the digital landscape. Number 1. Welcome to the lucrative realm of AI prompting, where your skills can soar to new heights and your income potential is limitless. In this guide, we'll explore why AI prompting Take 2. In this guide, we'll explore why AI prompting is a goldmine waiting to be tapped, how to pursue this high-demand skill, and ultimately, how to turn it into a profitable venture. AI prompting is no longer just a buzzword. It's a skill in high demand. As AI solutions, such as the widely known ChatGPT, gain popularity, companies are willing to shell out 6-figure salaries for positions related to AI prompting. Giants like Google recognize the value, and the paycheck reflects it, paving your path to success. Now, let's talk about your journey to mastering AI prompting. Start by layering the foundation. Grasp the basics of artificial intelligence through online courses on platforms like Coursera, maybe even edX or Khan Academy. Dive deep into the intricacies of AI prompting, learning how to craft prompts that yield desired and effective AI responses. Build your expertise by practicing with AI tools like ChatGPT. Create a portfolio showcasing your projects, demonstrating your proficiency in formulating prompts and presenting the resulting AI-generated content. Your portfolio is your digital resume, showcasing your skills to potential employers or clients. Embrace the flexibility of remote work by exploring job opportunities on platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, or specialized AI job boards. Apply for positions that seek AI prompt specialists and let your portfolio speak for itself. For those with an entrepreneurial spirit, consider starting your own business. Infuse AI into your ventures, whether it's content creation or other applications. This hands-on experience not only enhances your resume, but also provides real-world examples of AI implementation, solidifying your expertise in the field. Number 2. In a world dominated by technology, you might wonder if copywriting is still a high-paying skill. The truth is, despite the rise of AI tools, good copywriters are still in high demand. Why? Because effective copy is the heartbeat of marketing, sales, and communication. It's the secret sauce that makes people click, buy, and engage. Now, let's blueprint your path to becoming a sought-after copywriter. Begin by immersing yourself in the principles of copywriting through online courses, books, or mentorship programs. Understand the nuances of persuasive writing and storytelling techniques, the pillars of impactful copy. Craft a portfolio that showcases your copywriting prowess. Include samples of emails, blog posts, and scripts you've written to demonstrate your versatility. Don't be afraid to offer your services for free initially. Use these projects to build a robust portfolio and gather testimonials that will speak volumes about your skill. Set up your digital storefront by creating a professional website. Showcase your portfolio and services, and don't forget to optimize it for search engines. Think of your website as the storefront window that attracts potential clients, making them eager to explore what you have to offer. Dive into the gig economy by joining freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. These platforms are treasure troves for copywriting opportunities. Start by offering your services at competitive rates to build a positive reputation. As your skills become recognized, gradually increase your rates, paving the way for a steady influx of high-paying gigs. In the world of copywriting, the journey involves learning, showcasing, offering, and strategically positioning yourself. So, get ready to unlock the secrets of the copywriting cash flow zone and turn your wayward words into a six-figure success story. But wait, before you go on to conquer your dreams and implement these high-income skills, we want to hear from you. What's bubbling in your mind right now? Are you feeling inspired, or do you have burning questions about mastering these skills? Drop a comment down below and let's turn this into a conversation. Your thoughts matter, and who knows, your insights might just inspire someone else in the High Access community. And hey, if you haven't already, don't forget to share your favorite takeaway from today's video with your friends and fellow dream chasers. Let's build a community of go-getters supporting each other on the journey to success. So hit that share button, spread the knowledge, and let's create a ripple effect of empowerment together. Now, back to your journey. Go conquer those high-flying skills, and we'll catch you in the next adventure on High Access. Number 3. Content creation is the secret in gaining online visibility and brand building. Businesses and influencers alike recognize the power of captivating content, often outsourcing this crucial task to skilled creators. So, why not turn your knack for creating into a lucrative venture? Charting your content empire. Start by choosing a niche that aligns with your passions and expertise. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, find your platform and plant your creative flag. Establish your own content channel, becoming the maestro of your creative symphony. Build a brand around your content, growing an audience that resonates with your unique style. This isn't just about likes and follows, it's all about showcasing your content creation prowess to the world. Expand your horizons by offering your services to businesses or individuals seeking captivating content. Craft a portfolio that showcases your best work, highlighting your ability to breathe life into ideas. Networking is your golden ticket to success. Connect with fellow content creators and businesses in your niche. Attend industry events. Take 2. Attend industry events, collaborate on projects, and watch your network spread like wildfire. Monetize your content kingdom by exploring options like ads, sponsorships, or even merchandise. Your creative endeavors should not just be a passion project, they should be a profitable one. Wow, that's super loud. These people at 3 a.m. in the morning, crazy. Monetize your content kingdom by exploring options like ads, sponsorships, or even merchandise. Your creative endeavors shouldn't just be a passion project. They should be a profitable one. Number 4. Welcome to the no-code website making niche, where you create stunning websites without implementing a single line of code. Discover the secrets, uncover the steps to mastery, and embark on the journey of turning your no-code skills into a thriving online business. The accessibility of building solutions without the complexities of coding has sparked a high demand for no-code designers. As businesses seek efficient and visually appealing websites, the opportunities for skilled individuals in this domain are boundless. Begin your journey by immersing yourself in the no-code tools like Webflow, Bubble.io, or Adalo. These platforms are your digital canvas, and online courses or tutorials are your paintbrushes. Master them. Craft your portfolio by building sample projects that showcase your no-code prowess. These projects aren't just for show. They're your calling card to potential clients, demonstrating your ability to turn concepts into tangible, visually appealing digital assets. Navigate the gig economy by joining freelancing platforms. Offer your no-code design services at competitive rates, gradually increasing them as you gain experience and build a positive reputation. Your portfolio will do the talking, attracting clients eager to bring your no-code magic to their digital presence. Stay ahead of the curve by keeping up with advancements in no-code technology. The field is evolving, and your ability to offer innovative solutions will keep you not just relevant, but at the forefront of this digital revolution. In the no-code niche, your journey involves tool mastery, project showcasing, freelancing, and the commitment to staying on the cutting edge. So gear up for the adventure of transforming your no-code skills into a lucrative online business. Number 5. Lastly, we're unlocking the secrets of why video editing is a high-paying skill. I should know this. How to navigate the world of editing wizardry, and ultimately, how to turn your love for enhancing visuals into a six-figure success story. Video content rules the internet, and with that dominance comes a lucrative demand for quality video editing. Whether it's on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, the need for visually appealing, seamlessly edited videos is paramount. As a skilled video editor, you have the power to enhance content and magnetically draw in viewers. Begin your journey by acquainting yourself with video editing software. Start with beginner-friendly options like PowerDirector. Then graduate to professional tools like Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere Pro. This is your toolkit, and the mastery is your ticket to the upper echelons of the video editing kingdom. Skills are honed through practice, so edit videos regularly. Dive into the intricacies of transitions, effects, and audio editing. Transform raw footage into cinematic masterpieces, showcasing your ability to enhance storytelling through the art of editing. Craft a portfolio that acts as your visual resume, showcasing your best edited videos. Highlight not just your technical prowess, but your storytelling finesse. This portfolio is your golden ticket to attracting clients and gigs that recognize the transformative power of your editing skills. Embark on the freelancing journey by joining platforms that crave your editing magic. Offer samples of your work, gather client testimonials, and expand your network by connecting with content creators who are in constant need of video editing services. Attend virtual events or join social media groups related to video production. Your network isn't just your net worth. It's the key to unlocking a world of editing opportunities. As we wrap up our journey through the realms of high-income skills on High Access, remember, the path to six-figure success is not just a destination. It's a dynamic adventure. It's a dynamic adventure. Whether you're delving into AI prompting, mastering the art of copywriting, creating captivating content, crafting code-free websites, or editing videos with finesse, the key lies in continuous learning, practice, and adaptation. Your newfound skills are not just tools. They're the building blocks of your financial empire. So seize the opportunities, embrace challenges, and let your journey with High Access be a testament to your determination and success. If you enjoyed this exploration into the world of high-flying skills, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more enriching content, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our future adventures. Your success is our motivation, and we can't wait to see you soar to new heights. Thank you for joining us on High Access, where access isn't just a quantity, It's a mindset. Until next time, keep dreaming big, working hard, and turning your aspirations into achievements. This is High Access signing off, where success knows no limit.